Hello and welcome to this short introduction to statistics part 1. In this quick video, we will explain why do we use statistics. We will also talk about two basic terms of statistics that are observations and variables. So let's start. Why do we use statistics? Usually, the data comes to us including large volume of information, numerical and categorical, which makes it difficult for the reader or for the data analyst to analyze all this information by just looking at the numbers and categories. And here comes the role of the statistics, which is the process of gathering and analyzing numerical and categorical data and making summaries and charts that are easier to be understood, studied, and remembered by the reader or the data analyst. These summaries and charts can help the reader shed the light on the negative trends or results and to take actions to fix them and to make use of unseen data relationships, correlations, or patterns to improve the business or the industry. So, for example, statistics help us make decisions based on observing our data and conducting the relevant analysis. For example, you go to a shop and you see a phone and you like it. You decide to look at the rating of other people on this phone. So you see that most people have given a rating of 4 or 5 stars. So you decide to buy the phone because you believe that it's more likely to be good since many people loved it. However, there will be a kind of risk in your choice when being based merely on statistics. Because in this example, if you decide to buy the phone just because of what other people suggested or said, you have to put into account that those people might have different interests in the phone than you. For example, your interest may be the camera to be good, to have good memory, for example. However, these two characteristics might not be so much important to other people. And you might get surprised that the phone doesn't match your expectation. However, one suggestion might be to dig further and to see the rating given for each characteristic or feature of the phone. In this case, you will be more able to judge and to see the rating on the features that match your interest. And hence, you will be more likely to take the good action of whether to buy the phone or not. Statistics is used in many industries, such as marketing and healthcare. In marketing, for example, one statistical method is to cluster different customers based on the history of their financial value or the financial value of their orders, the nature of the products they used to buy, and the customer's desire to use discounts and offers. And then to target each cluster of similar customers with suitable marketing campaigns or offers. So those who are usually willing to spend can be targeted with new products because they are more likely to come and to buy them, and they have the financial ability to do so. However, those who are always hesitant about buying new things can be offered or encouraged to at least buy something by giving them an offer of buy one, get one free, or by giving them a certain discount. which increases their ability and their willingness to buy the product. Now we talk about two very basic terms when it comes to dealing with data in general and with statistics, which are observations and variables. So what are these terms? An observation is the subject of our study. So it could be people, books, toys, or something else. And a variable is a feature that describes that observation. The variable can take a different value on each observation. For example, in this table, we can see on the left the observations as people, and we can call them records also, which are Sarah, Susan, and Adam. The variables are four, that are the gender, the age, the height, and the weight. You can see that each line is related to one person, and the variables such as the gender, age, height, and weight change depending on the person in question. Such kind of information can help us study the body mass index for a certain person, for example, and to advise them accordingly if they are under the normal weight or they are overweight or obese, etc. Also, we can use a sample of people in a certain population to infer information about the population the sample is taken from, which falls under the inferential statistics studies. For example, we can calculate the average body mass index in a certain country or a certain population, and we can put rules or enhance the healthy eating habits within the community of that certain population if it turns out that they exceed the target weight. Next, we will talk about the population and the sample, and we will classify variables into quantitative and qualitative, where we will discuss continuous versus discrete variables under the quantitative type or numerical, and under the categorical or qualitative type of variable, we will discuss the ordinal versus nominal variables. If you like such kind of content, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.